to continue what we're doing in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud 2017, so we've already dragged the background image to the timeline as well as the boy.mov file, and we now have the dancing character or the boy.mov with the background, and we can play that one. Okay, so as you can see, the duration of the background image is longer than the duration of the boy.mov file. So if you want to stretch out the duration of the boy.mov file, you can use this tool, rate stretch tool, and then click this one and stretch the boy.mov file so that the duration of the boy.mov file will be the same as the duration of the background image. Okay, so when you play that, press space bar, and that's it. And now we will include our background music from the source. We have sample underscore mixdown.wav. So you click that one and we'll see the waveform of our background music, and you just drag it going to the audio track of or in the timeline of the Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud 2017. Okay, so we play that one. And that's it. So we've actually created half a minute background music, but our dancing character is actually 5 seconds long. Can actually choose a portion of the song where you want to use as background music of our dancing character, and you can also cut that portion and use that audio portion or portion of the audio file. Sorry for that.
There's no way to say this song is about someone else. Every time you're not in my arms, I start to lose myself. Someone please pass me my shade. Don't let me see me down.
So let's say you want to use that part of the audio file. So let's hear it again.
There's no.
Okay, so and we use the razor tool. I cut that one.
There's no way to say this song is about someone else. Every time you're not in my arms.
And since our dancing character only lasts only for 5 seconds, so we'll cut the audio file to 5 seconds as well, and then you delete the other part, and this one, and drag the audio file here, and
there's no way to say this song is about someone else. Every time you're not in my arms.
so that's it, and we can now render this file to AVI file. So file. So let's save our Premiere Pro project first, and then file, export, media, and then our format is AVI, and then the output is we need to change this one to dancing character. Character.avi, save, and then click export.